Welcome, my friends, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, my moon. If you're feeling overwhelmed, stressed out, angry, tired, restless, lonely, feeling insecurities about body, financial situation, a relationship, work, feeling scarcity mindset, feeling lack and limitations, or perhaps even joy, self-love. Whatsoever you feel is okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can let go of some of the pain. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture, or you can lie down if you like, whatever's most comfortable. Gently closing your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner space. Listening with your whole body. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the palms of your hands and feet, relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead, relaxing your eyes. I promise that you're safe to close the eyes, looking in, witnessing and welcoming all that you see inside you. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale. Letting go of the past. The past is past. Breathing in with awareness and exhaling with awareness. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhale, letting go of fear. Saying goodbye to fear just for now. Feeling fear leave the mind, leave the body as you breathe in trust. And exhale, let go. Breathing in faith in yourself. exhale, faith in others. Having faith in the unfolding of life. Having faith in all the people that you encounter who bring their own lessons, their own teachings. Breathing in compassion. And exhale, letting go of anger. Letting go of self-hatred, shame, guilt. Coming back into forgiveness, patience, understanding. As you breathe in. And breathe out. And breathe in. And exhale, letting go. Softening the shoulders, relaxing your belly, relaxing your face, relaxing your mind. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming your inner space, the thoughts, the emotions, sensations, embracing all of it like old friends. Relaxing your hands and feet, opening your heart, feeling more love for yourself as you are, flaws and all. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and every cell in your body, exhale, letting go. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind be totally free to think. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. And very slowly, very softly exhale, let go. Returning home to your awareness with the sound of the bell. Listening all the way to the end. Taking a deep breath in. Hold. Squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense. Everything as tense as possible. Tense, tense. Tense your whole body, tense your face, tense your jaw. Tense, tense. And exhale, let go. Relaxing your hands. Relaxing your face. Opening your heart space. I want you to visualize a very compassionate energy flowing through the body. A very loving, warm, light energy coursing through your body and mind. I want you to visualize that your heart is being hugged by this warm, liquid light, moving through the body, moving through the heart, spreading all the way up into your minds, bringing more light to your thoughts. What if you actually love yourself today? What would that look like? What would that feel like to appreciate who you are? Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in trust. And exhale, letting go of all negativity, letting go of the inner criticism, shame, guilt. As you come back into self-love, trusting that that's okay, even though there's been mistakes. Even though there isn't perfection, it's still okay to love. The color for today is a dark green, a very dark green. The number is 3 billion, and the animal is a moose. Becoming aware of your body, aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat, aware of how you feel. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing into your belly. exhale, pushing the belly outwards, dropping the shoulders, opening the palms of your hands and feet, feeling your mind open. New opportunities to create, new opportunities to love, new opportunities to heal, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to laugh, to cry, to overcome. Taking one last deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. I'm sending you a big hug, my dear friend. Wishing you an abundance of love, an abundance of resourcefulness, an abundance of creativity, an abundance of consciousness that is already here. Just underneath the anxieties, the worries. I want you to practice along with myself this approach to meditation throughout your day, similar to when you go to the beach and you watch the waves. This has been my practice that I want to share with you. So just like the waves that rise and fall, you're just watching it and enjoying watching the waves. Sometimes the waves are really big, sometimes they're really small, but you're not too focused on that. You're just very gently watching, enjoying it, just like you're at the beach. This is the same with watching your thoughts, watching the anxieties, the insecurities, the anger, just watching it like waves rising and falling without getting too involved. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.